How we doing, people of the internet? Back with another video today, and we need to analyze something that doesn't make a lot of sense to me right now. We have an insane LG OLED TV deal. I'm going to show you on Best Buy's website in 1 second, and I thought I need to share this with you guys because, like, this is what a Black Friday deal should be.
Spank my planet.
And we're well past Black Friday now, onto the holiday season, getting close to Christmas. And I don't know why none of these sales are popping up during Black Friday. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And just for context, OLED technology is extremely, extremely expensive still. That's why most of the TVs that you see now are all, they're VA panels, they're IPS LED panels, so OLED takes it one step further. So if I share my screen, this is the TV we're going to be talking about. It's the A2 class series. Basically, like, I can wrap this video up in one sentence, essentially. We have OLED technology for only $558, 48 inches in diagonally, which is not, it's not small, it's not large, it's kind of just like in that middle gray area sort of thing, probably on the smaller side. 40 inches is also a very odd size for a TV. You don't really see that too much. It's either like 40, it's either like 32, 43, 50, and then also 55, 65, and it goes up by 10-inch increments by there. But we essentially have an OLED technology TV by LG, and LG actually manufactures their own panels, which is cool, and for only $550. So this is a deal that's currently going on right now. It seems to me like it's going to be ending in around 12 hours. So I'll put the link. I'll post this video literally today, just so you guys can go capitalize on this if you actually do want to get an OLED TV at this price point. Just for context, if we're going to talk percentage change or discounts here, this TV was $1,300, as you can see on screen right here. It's $750 off. That translates to roughly around 57% off this TV, which is just kind of nutty. I honestly don't know how they did this. I don't know why they're selling this for that price, but we're gonna roll with it. So 4K mid-size, as I said, OLED. So with OLED, you get high contrast, high color accuracy, wide color gamut. Get good viewing angles as well. No blur. I mean, it's a smart TV. The other thing I like about this is it's WebOS, since it's LG, so you get that cool remote, acts as a mouse. And WebOS is a very intuitive software. As you can see, all the rectangular apps at the bottom, quick settings guide, all the bells and whistles. We get Dolby Vision, HDR10. We got a 60 hertz refresh rate, but I believe it goes up to 120 motion rate. We have 3 HDMIs. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit. And obviously we have all the apps, WebOS. I can't really speak about this. Interesting how they say motion enhanced. I don't know if that's it blows my mind that maybe it doesn't actually have any motion rate. Maybe it's like just capped at here. Interesting. It just blows my mind that I haven't seen a discount like this in a long time, and I feel like it's my job to share this with you guys. I don't want to drag this video out any longer. This is supposed to be like hey, LG makes good TVs. This is a good TV. Granted, it's from last year. It's 2022, so maybe they're just trying to offload this from their warehouse and their inventory. Could be something like that. But hey, it's OLED. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's 4K. It's got Dolby Vision, HDR, 60 hertz. Let's get rid of it, and we're going to discount it by a ton. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video, guys. Sorry, it's a bit short. If you guys have any thoughts on this TV, leave it in the comment section down below. Happy to hear it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested in that. Help promote the channel, help promote this video, because I want to get this deal out to as many people as possible. So with that being said, hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday, and I will see you guys in the next video from Tech with Scott. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.